This smart kettle helps boil water at different temperatures. It connects to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, allowing control through a mobile app. You can set it to keep water warm for a while after boiling. A light shows how much water is inside and which setting is active. Safety features prevent overheating and dry boiling, making it easy to use. This is a convection oven that brings versatility to your countertop, letting you air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, or roast all in one place. It cooks faster than traditional ovens, thanks to its rapid air heating elements, so you can enjoy crispy meals without the wait. You can also prepare healthier dishes using up to 98% less oil compared to regular fryers. With 17 preset options and an easy touch control screen, cooking perfect meals becomes a simple task. Its extra-large capacity of 10 liters is ideal for family-size meals or meal prepping, and the interior lights help you keep an eye on your food as it cooks. This is an omelet maker that lets you create gourmet breakfasts with ease, making perfect omelets, frittatas, and even quiches in minutes. The non-stick cooking surface can handle 2 individual portions, each measuring 6.5 inches by 3 inches by 1.5 inches, so you can enjoy a fluffy omelet without the mess of flipping. It's lightweight and portable, eliminating the need for dirty frying pans or juggling hot stoves. With preheat and ready indicator lights, you can cook confidently, ensuring proper temperatures every time with 750 watts of power. This is a carrot sharpener that's a fun and useful tool for your kitchen. It not only peels vegetables like carrots and potatoes, but also creates beautiful ribbons and curls, adding flair to your dishes. You can quickly whip up thin slices for salads or cook them in just a few minutes. Made from durable metal and a plastic frame, it handles both soft and hard veggies with ease. Plus, it's food grade, BPA-free, and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Elevate taco night with this handy tortilla press, perfect for crafting delicious taco salads and guacamole bowls. It effortlessly transforms store-bought tortillas into crispy, perfectly shaped bowls in just 1 to 3 minutes, with dual non-stick surfaces ensuring an even bake. Beyond tacos, you can create sweet dessert bowls filled with churros, ice cream, or fruit. There are endless possibilities. This toaster uses a touchscreen to give you control over how you toast different kinds of bread, from bagels to waffles. It heats up quickly to toast the outside without drying out the inside. There are 3 toasting modes and 7 shade levels to match what you like, whether you're toasting fresh or frozen items. It even has a panini mode when you want to make sandwiches. This stirrer automatically takes over the task of stirring your food while it cooks. It attaches to your pot and keeps things moving so you do not have to worry about anything sticking or burning. It runs at 2 speeds and can be adjusted to fit different pot sizes. The best part is, it is cordless and rechargeable, so you do not have to deal with any wires. Create rich, creamy microfoam milk in just 30 seconds with this handheld milk frother. Its powerful motor ensures smooth, barista-style foam without the need for expensive equipment. Featuring dual-speed settings for easy control and a rechargeable battery for convenience, it's perfect for making lattes and cappuccinos at home. Cleanup is simple thanks to its waterproof design and quick rinse feature. Transform your kitchen with this innovative refrigerator featuring AI technology for effortless meal management. The spacious design includes a beverage center for quick access to chilled water. With customizable settings and an intelligent recognition system, you'll always know what's inside. Enjoy a sleek aesthetic with the ability to personalize your panels, seamlessly integrating into any kitchen style. Enjoy cafe-quality beverages right at home with this electric iced tea maker. Brew a delightful selection of iced teas and coffees directly into the durable 2-quart double-insulated pitcher, ready in under 10 minutes. The included steeping basket accommodates various teas and coffee grounds, while the compact design allows easy storage in tight spaces. Automatic shutoff ensures safe operation, making this a must-have for refreshing drinks. This automatic pet water fountain holds 2.8 liters, making it easy for cats and dogs to stay hydrated. The stainless steel build is strong and easy to clean, plus it's dishwasher safe. The fountain uses a 5-stage filtration system for clean and tasty water. There's also an LED light option to help you see the water level and fountain location. This wearable neck fan keeps you cool without needing to hold a fan. It features a hands-free design that fits comfortably around your neck, allowing you to enjoy fresh air wherever you go. With 78 air outlets, it provides ample airflow to keep your face cool and comfortable. The fan has 5 speed settings and a powerful 4,000 milliamp hour battery that lasts between 4 and 16 hours.